Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a rectangle wreath. I went outside and I cut a branch from my forsythia bush, and then I sawed it into 4 different pieces, 2 of each size. I just put them together and I hot glued them until I could tie them. So then I just tied it in a crisscross on each corner, and then I glued some greenery in the center, on the corners, and then in between the center and the corner, all the way around. And then I made some ribbon bows. I'll have some tutorials for those shortly. And I just added different ornaments. I have a link below on how to make these gingerbread ornaments from cereal boxes. And then I've also got the link for the paper roll stars and snowflakes and making little roses from paper towels. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a rectangle wreath for not very much money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.